Hi friends! Today, we are going to make a key programming for BMW 5 using Xtool N9EV. First, connect this OBD main cable to the vehicle. Tablets have been connected to the VCI when you hear this beep. Also make sure your tablet has connected to network. Then select General Vehicle, Special Function. Once you agree this disclaimer, you can enter Key Programming menu, select Vehicle Brand, Auto Select. Make sure your ignition and hazard warning lights have turned on. Then the vehicle information will show on. Confirm OK. Here you can select an unused key position for a new key programming. So I would like to call it 10. OK, select the original car key and place the original key on the marked steering wheel. Well done! The original key data has been read. Now we can place a new on the mark. New key programming is proceeding. Congratulations! We did it! And the new key is on position 10 now. One more thing is to check if the new workable. Remove the original key out of the car and use the new to start engine. Everything works well, so let's call it a day. See you next time.